Go&Go construction vehicle wash system tested at the real-world construction site. If it only took about 2 minutes to clean all the mud from the heavy trucks right at the construction site, would you like to see how the Go&Go construction vehicle wash system works in the real life? This video will take you straight to the site where a test was conducted in the muddy environment with hundreds of vehicles entering and exiting every day. The setting of the test was a large-scale construction site where demonstrators, trucks, and concrete mixers constantly enter and exit from morning to night. Each vehicle carries a significant amount of mud clinging to its wheel and undercarriage, especially after moving within the construction area. If not cleaned before leaving the site, the mud could be dragged onto the road, affecting the cleanliness of the surrounding area, creating a slippery hazard and imposing the investor to treat environmental regulation. Therefore, a vehicle wash system placed right at the construction site entrance is almost a necessity. During this test, the Go&Go construction car wash machine were permanently installed at the main axis of the project. The machine frame is made of high-strength steel and it is securely attached to the ground so that 30 to 40-ton trucks can run over it for hours without shaking. From the outside, the system makes a strong impression with its dense spray nozzle, 42 in the carriage nozzle evenly distributed across the bottom, and the 36 side nozzle running along both sides of the machine. Even without operating it, just by looking at it, you can imagine that the water coverage of the system almost completely surrounds the entered vehicle. The test began when the first demonstrators approached the machine. As soon as the front of the vehicle entered the sensor range, the entire system automatically activates almost instantly. No manual operation was required. There was no delay. The optical sensor worked exactly as designed, automatic, accurate, and stable. The moment it activates, a powerful stream of water spray upward to beneath the vehicle, creating strong jets that penetrate the layer of dry mud. The jets are positioned at various angles, streaking the wheel, suspensions, and undercarriage, creating area where mud frequently accumulates during transport. Large clumps of mud are dissolved as soon as the vehicle enters the machine path, creating a swirling stream of murky water and flow down into the collection tank below. As the vehicle moves further into the machine changes, the nozzle on either side becomes more prominent. The water brushes from both sides, strike the wheel arches, and spray directly onto the vehicle body from below, cleaning away all the mud that has been splashed up during movement. The jets continuously intersect, covering the vehicle body and creating the sensation of driving through a thick curtain of water. The entire process is continuous and stable. The water pressure does not decrease even after multiple wash cycles. This reflects the Go&Go high-capacity pump and water supply system, specifically designed for construction site environment where operating frequency is always high. At the vehicle near axis, the system gradually reduces the flow rate and automatically shuts off completely when the vehicle body leaves the washing area. Immediately after the vehicle exits the machine, the level of cleaning is clearly visible. The wheels have a shiny surface, and mud and dirt are almost completely removed. The undercarriage, the most difficult area, is cleaned 80% to 90% depending on the initial level of mud buildup. For vehicles with very thick mud, just one wash is enough to meet the hygiene requirement for the vehicle to leave the construction site. In many construction sites, this is the mandatory criterion before vehicle can enter the main road. From an efficiency perspective, one wash only takes 2 to 3 minutes. If maintained continuously, the system can handle nearly 300 vehicles per day, a very important number for large projects or construction sites with high traffic density. Throughout the many hours of testing, the machine operates stably without vibration, pressure drop, or malfunctions. factors that directly assess the durability of the equipment for harsh environments. The most noteworthy aspect of the entire process lies not only in its cleaning ability, but also in automatic and stability. The vehicle detection sensor system, multi-step ride system, post-wash collection mechanism, and high-load design are integrated into the closed-loop process, ensuring vehicle achieve the required level of cleanliness before leave the site. The result is a fast, accurate, and consistent vehicle washing process in every operation. Looking at the overall test, it's clear that Go&Go is more than just a simple car wash machine. It is designed to thoroughly address environmental issues, optimize operational efficiency, and completely eliminate reliance on manual labor, a challenge many construction sites face when maintaining a vehicle wash team for many hours each day. Such as automatic system makes the construction site more professional, cleaner, and better compliant with regulatory requirements. If your construction site has a high volume of vehicles and requires strict environmental hygiene standards, the Go&Go construction site to optimize time, save labor costs, and increase the professionalism of the entire process. If you are looking for a solution for a fast, efficient, and reliable car wash solution for construction site, contact Go&Go today for detailed advice.